Alright, here's the sound rack, and I don't know what is from the last one. I do know the Ashley here, that's the Protea. It's a digital audio product system 2 4.24C. It's an Ashley. And then we have 3 Yamahas for our speakers and subs. That's a power amplifier P35000S, and we have 3 of those. Then we have EV Dynacord 7100. I really don't know what those do. And then an EV 7200. It looks like choir. Then we have 2 Furmans here. That I think that is what turns on a delay system to turn on and off. We've got crossovers here that we had from previous XEQ2, and I don't think these are used, but if we can use them somewhere else, it's EQ231. I have a stereographic equalizer, 2-channel, and then a 1/3 octave equalizer, EQ131. Both of those are EVs. Alright, these are the horns that we took out. DH2A, and they're both DH2A. Both of them are that. These are the speakers I think we got. We got the EAW VRS, maybe 18s up there, and I think we were trying to set the levels down here. And then we've got the EAW VR, either the 21 or 51 upstairs. Organ. All this is organ, and yeah, we had the VR21s, and we had to change out the horns or put in the horn. I can't remember exactly. So organ, and I'll try to go up in the catwalk to let you see what's there.